Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to AI Land Studio tutorial 91, and today's topic is how to add a single dot animation in network diagram in AI Land Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the next page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you would see a feature called cloud architecture. Click on it and then there would be a pop-up. So in that pop-up, please select system architecture diagrams. Why? Because in AI Studio, if you want to generate network architecture diagrams, you need to generate it through the section called system architecture. Now I have already generated the diagram for my use case, and that is that I have made it for a small office setup where user, internet modem and Wi-Fi router as the options. So we are discussing that how to add an animation. So simply go over here in the animation panel, single dot, and enable it. And you would see that there is a dot flowing around the edges showing this thing that what is the flow of the diagram. So if you want to change the size of the dot, you can do it from here. If you want to change the color, you can do it from here. If you want to change the glow color, you can do it from here. If you want to change the glow intensity, you can do it from here. If you want to update the animation speed, you can do it from here. So basically, adding a single dot animation in AI Line Studio helps you to make your network diagrams more interactive and easy to understand. So this is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.